What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Little Scale Cars YouTube channel. Today, in the review box, we're actually just going to be doing an unboxing real quickly. This is really exciting for me. As you can see here on the side, this is Mattel Creations, and you probably can already know what this is going to be just from that if you didn't already look at the thumbnail. This is the new Ferrari, like, 2-pack thing with the $4.99 Modificata inside of it. So, without further ado, let's get it opened. Alright, so this is kind of like the display box out of the shipping box. Nice Ferrari logo, Hot Wheels logos on the side, and some legal mumbo jumbo there on the bottom here. But let's go ahead and get it opened all the way here. So as you can see, this is quickly becoming like one of those Russian doll sets. It's like one box after another box after another box, but we're slowly getting there. It's like one of those gag Christmas gifts that there's just layer after layer of wrapping paper and everything. Alright, I think we're for real now. You got your certificate of authenticity here. Certifies that your Hot Wheels Ferrari 2-pack was created through the collaborative efforts of Ferrari and the designers and artists at Mattel. Very nice. No kind of... Ooh, that's cool. There's no sort of, like, I don't know, number on it, serial number or anything like that, which is a little bit of a shame. Maybe it's on this part itself, but kind of doubting it. Let's see. Can I figure out how this works? Ooh, it's magnetized. That's cool. Oh, that's better looking than I was actually expecting it to. Get this thing out of here. Oh, that paintwork is much nicer than I was expecting it to look. That is sharp. That is nice. Whew. Let's go ahead and break these out of their prison here and get an up-close look. Alright, the cars are off of their pegs there, so let's go ahead and just look at the box here a little closely. Sorry, I left the screws inside. Hot Wheels and Ferrari are firing on all cylinders to bring you this special edition collector's piece fully loaded with 2 die-cast cars in celebration of the renewed partnership. So these are the first 2 like Ferrari Hot Wheels that you could actually order. I think most places outside of the US, at least most Asian countries, Australia, have had the main lines for a while now. But the first ones that you could actually order, get it in your hands. Well, actually, no, just the first ones you could order were these. The first ones you could get in your hands were the main lines, but that's boring. We're not here to talk about that. 312P, an authentic recreation of the first ever Hot Wheels Ferrari car released in 1969, bursting with silver plate red Spectraflame paint and neoclassic redline wheels. And then on the 499P Modificata, it's the highest performance closed-wheeled car derived from the 499P that triumphed at the 24 Hours of Le Mans, while also sporting silver plate red Spectraflame paint and 10-spoke Real Rider wheels. So yeah, very cool little presentation box and everything here, but here's what we're actually here for. Here's what cost us $100. So, ooh. This is the 312P, and I'm actually going to close this now, just so you can kind of see the car itself a little better. And as we can see here, that Spectraflame red looks much better than I was expecting it to here. Yeah, this is very, very nice. I'm not going to go too in-depth on these just because I will do a full review, but plastic wheels with the kind of red rim, Real Rider look. Open it into the back there. Not too shabby. I have some thoughts on this release as a whole that I will go over in the actual review. But for now, let's go ahead and put that one off to the side. Let's put it down here so it doesn't fall. And then here is the star of the show, in my opinion. This is the 499p Modificata. This is what I was most excited for. This is why I bought this set. It's my first time seeing the casting that will be coming to Car Culture, modified obviously, ever so slightly. But yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful piece of work. Again, I have some things I'll talk about in the review that I'm not 100% happy with, but there are some other things that I'm not exactly surprised by, I guess. Some things that I was shocked to see. But yeah, overall, I'm liking this a lot. Looking there at the engine bay, nothing right here to speak of per se, but yeah, so that is it. That is your Hot Wheels Ferrari Mattel Creations unboxing there, and I hope you have enjoyed it, guys. Full review on both of these will be out very soon. Hey, before you leave though, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you are new, and leave a comment telling me what your thoughts are on this box set and these particular models, and I will see you guys in the next video.